Go ahead.
Oh, here we go.
Here, Sam. Go ahead.
The photographer.
Ready? Let me see if I can get a real shot. Fred,
No, I need the light.
be a sissy.
Baxter.
Oh!
No.
Hold on, hold on.